Let's draw Madhubani birds today, and let's start with a sea or half moon shape. I'm drawing three birds, so I'm making three shapes, and they are all three are on different directions. So the point that is little bit on the higher side, make the circle shape there to make the beak, to make the face, and to make the beak, let's make the V shape. And now for top of the body, I'm making this D shape, that is basically upside down, to make the top of the body. And let's join the head with the body, and let's make the tail or the feather end of the ducks. I hope you can see it clearly. And why I am drawing everything together, so that I can draw them as close as possible, like each other. It helps if you draw everything together whenever you are drawing the same thing multiple times. Now I'm just doing some decoration. Here I already traced everything with Sharpies, and now I'm just going and filling all the details. And this, I am doing this like a upside down U shape. If you can see, I'm drawing here, and then connecting the next line in the middle of each other, and that's how I'm filling that portion of the body there. And you can keep doing that to fill the whole that small box kind of area. Just keep repeating that pattern, and the same way we are going to do it on all other birds. And also we are going to now double all the lines throughout the body of the bird. This is important because this is the uniqueness in the Madhubani art, that basically tells you, or that's how you can recognize Madhubani art, because they usually have double lines. So I'm just going over and making the lines double. And now in the upper portion of the body, I'm going to draw these small flowers. It's a simple flower circle in between, and then petal going all around. These are also very typical Madhubani style. Now I'm going to just repeat the same process and finish up all the other birds before I start coloring them. Just going all over, finishing up the details in all the birds. And now let's color. That's the fun part. So I'm using these three bright colors to color the birds: blue, red, and yellow. And just follow along for coloring.